Hi, I'm Dr. Avantika Tripathi, course mentor Dentium. Today, I'm going to place a Dentium SuperLine implant in the dummy model. This is the Dentium SuperLine surgical kit. This is the ICT motor. These are the Dentium SuperLine implants available in different sizes. So let's start the procedure. I'm going to place an implant in the 4-5 region. The diameter of my implant is 4 by 10 mm. So I'll start my implant preparation with the Linderman guide drill. The diameter of Linderman guide drill is 2.2 mm. So I will start the osteotomy preparation with the Linderman guide drill. Go up to 10 mm. After placing the Linderman guide drill, by placing a parallel pin, whether my implant's orientation, angulation or position is correct or not. After completion of the osteotomy with the Linderman guide drill, we will insert Linderman first drill and prepare the osteotomy. The diameter of Linderman first drill is 2.6 mm. I will go up to 10 mm with the Linderman first drill. After that, I will insert my 3.6, that is my final drill. Till 10 mm. The diameter of my implant is 4 mm, so I will drill till 4 mm. So this is my final drill, 4 mm diameter. For the coronal preparation of my osteotomy, I will use countersink drill of the same diameter, of the same final diameter, that is 4 mm. After complete preparation of my osteotomy, I will place my implant. So this is the implant driver. There is a rubber ring over the implant driver which helps in engaging the implant inside, and it has a hex shaped structure at the tip of the implant driver which engages inside the hex of the implant. So we just have to twist our hand and we just have to engage it inside, engage the implant inside the implant driver. Placement of implant inside the osteotomy, we will check the position, orientation and angulation of our implant again, and then we will slowly insert our implant inside. After successful placement of implant inside the osteotomy, we will check whether my implant placed is parallel with the adjacent teeth or not, whether it is properly oriented or not, by placing a path pin over my implant. So this is the cover screw for Dentium SuperLine implants. So we will be putting up the cover screw over the implant now. So the cover screw of Dentium SuperLine is available in a very bright green color. As the internal diameter of all the implants is same, so the cover screw available is of same diameter for all the implants. So I have placed a cover screw over my implant. Now my implant is secured. Done this procedure in the patient, I'll just cover it up with the sutures and then my procedure is complete.